Hello guys, welcome back to another video of my channel. Today I'm going to explore a new game, the Red Ball 4. So the 4th season is best and even the revive is also good. The reviews are also quite actually good. So today we're going to play this game and here is the theme what it is. Actually they are in the circle shape, but this black, the square ball making all the red ball into the square shape, and this red ball is also feared about how come if the earth is available as a square, so it's going to defend. Yeah, let's start the game. Yeah, this is quite easier. Let's move this and take a jump, but no, not in this way now. It is, yeah. Okay, this level completes. It's about the second level. Let's make faster. Okay, can I make it break? Yeah, that's simple. Let's move this aside. Here, this level is quite simple. Even the second level is also quite easier. Let's go into the third level. Let's break him. If it is there a stone in between, you should move it. I think so. Let's check what is, yeah. I made a possible guess and it's right. Okay, I know the way how to come back. Yeah, let's make a faster slide. Yeah, here I come. The third level goes simple. Yeah, here we come into the fourth level. So, yeah, might be fourth or fifth level. Get this back here. Okay, it's quite enough. Yeah, I'm here. Let's break him. Okay, it was quite tough. Yeah, but I made simple. Let's make it move and take it here. And this level is too easy, so let's come to the next level. Yeah, here I am. Oh, yeah, that was good setting by a game developer. Let's move it fast. Yeah, don't go. It's time for us to move it little bit further. I should move simultaneously. Yeah, it's quite good setting. Here I am. Yeah, it's quite easy. And this game is, yeah. Okay, how should I manage this? Okay, well, I got one life out. Let's make it faster here. Okay, I can't do it. Oh, star, come on. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, let's move. And get from here quite more faster. Yeah, here I got some truck type, and I got missed something. Let's take that. Okay, how could I take it back? Here I can make like this. Oh, sorry for that. Let's move that box into there. Yeah, come on. Yeah, quite good. Let's move it forward and check our way to the next level. Yeah, I missed something. It's nothing. Let's kill him. Okay, did I miss something? No. Let's take another jump. Yeah, I killed him too. Yeah, this game is quite easier and simpler, and it's not actually okay, looks something is there. Okay, got out. Okay, shall I make it once again? Yeah, come back and let's take another move. Okay, I should try like this. Should I? Yeah, let us try. Yeah, I got quite higher. Yeah, it's quite easy. Okay, I didn't notice that. Come on, stars. Yeah, I just need that one. Okay, shall I come back? Yeah, that's easier. And get into another level, guys. It's quite easier and not any suspense like the game I have played like in the Granny. Yeah. Oh, it can sense my moves. Let's kill him. That too. Okay, we killed him. Okay, let's move. And okay, I can't move there. It's quite simple. I got one more track, a menu track. I like and love this. Okay. How would I move it? Sorry guys, I can't move it right now. Let's make this move first. Yeah, I made it. Yeah, that was simple. Let's move right now. Yeah, in peace, faster way. Okay, let's come in the opposite direction. I got that one. I am here. Yeah, it was quite simpler and okay, I made it. Okay, I should have made like this. Okay, I missed something. Yeah, I just missed that box. Should I retry? Yeah. Let's take that back. Okay, move it fast. Okay, I got here. Let's kill him. That bad guy. It's time for you now. Yeah, what happens with this? Oh. Okay, I came to know the tricks behind it. It's quite rising. Let's make a rush. Yeah, it was quite easy. Oh man. Yes, I got out from that. Okay, I missed it. Yeah, I lost. I should move it right now. Yes. Okay, how should I collect that back? Okay, I have lost single one option and let's make it use of it. Yeah, I got but yeah, it was quite easier, guys. Okay, I will end this video right here, and this game is not quite interesting, but if you have a nostalgic or if you have played ever once in your childhood, yeah, it keeps good. So if you are interested, you can try this. Okay, I will meet you in the next one.